Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick voiceover video. First, I would like to address TKB trading. As their new messages, thanks so very much for your patience. We are working very hard to provide you with regular, consistent, and made in the USA gloss base. You are a priority to us and we really do appreciate you. So yeah, you guys know they keep running out, and I think right now they only have the 5 ounce, 5.5, however big it is. And people were saying that their base is made in China because it's just taking too long for them to get more, and they don't accept walk-ins or nothing like that for you to get it if you're where they're at. So I guess that was them responding to everyone. But if you guys are looking for lip gloss base, feel free to DM me. I sell and make lip gloss base myself, and I know a few others that make it and sell it too. So let me know if you guys want that. You guys can DM me on Instagram and I'll let you guys know. Also, I do want to say, people keep asking me about my diamond tubes, and I do make those myself. They are handmade. I'm the creator of diamond tubes. I wholesale them. They're on my site, and I also wholesale lip gloss boxes. I will insert pictures of all the lip gloss boxes that I make so you guys can see them. Also, I'm not doing regular orders right now. I'm just strictly doing wholesale. I'll still do regular orders for edge control and my stretch curling cream. But those two things will also be available for wholesale in like a week or two. So let me know if you guys have any questions. This is the end of this video, voiceover, whatever. Thank you guys for watching, listening. Have a nice day. Oh, also, one more thing, I do want to let you guys know what my wholesale packages include, and they include your tubes, of course, and I label them for you, and it comes with a display organizer so you can take your product pictures and hold your glosses in. I also have a lip gloss starter package, which comes with the lowest one starts with 30 diamond top tubes. I have a different type of tubes with the starter packages, but this is the first one, which is 30 diamond top tubes. It comes with lip gloss boxes, shipping packaging. Is that all? The display organizers and thank you stickers and business cards. So it comes with all of that, and it starts at $165. So I do have that if you guys are looking to start a lip gloss business. Everything you need in one place. All my wholesale packages come with your lip glosses labeled for you and ready to go. So yes, shop with me. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And I do offer printing services as well, as far as labels for anything, lip gloss, eyeshadow palettes, lash packaging. I offer labeling for everything. Labels, business cards, and is that it? I think that's it. But let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'm out for real this time. Thanks for watching.